Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a complete tour of the Yardi website and explore its main navigation sections such as products, solutions, resources. Yardi is one of the leading software providers for the real estate industry, offering tools for property management, accounting, operations, resident services, investment management, as well as marketing and much more. Throughout this walkthrough, I'll explain what each section of the website contains and how it can help property owners, managers, investors, housing providers, and real estate businesses. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll be able to see a primary navigation menu at the top. So you'll be able to see the main navigation categories. These are markets, solutions, products, customer success, company, and we have resources. So these sections help visitors quickly find information about Yardi software, services, industry solutions, and educational materials. So let's begin with the market section right over here. So the market section is organized by real estate sectors, and you'll be able to see that you can choose your specific markets and discover software solutions designed for that specific industry. So we have affordable housing. This category provides tools for affordable housing organizations. The platform helps manage compliance requirements, financial operations, resident services, employee training, and day-to-day property management activities. Then we have is commercial. Commercial solutions help businesses manage office buildings, retail centers, industrial properties, and mixed-use developments. The software supports leasing, property operations, revenue optimization, reporting, and customer service. And then we have is Condo Co-op HOA. These solutions are designed for condominium associations, cooperatives, and homeowners associations. They help streamline board management, resident communication, unit transfers, accounting, and community operations. Next, we have is co-working and flexible space. This category focuses on shared office environments and flexible workspaces. The tools support community management, sales, marketing, operational workflows, and space utilization. Then we have is investment management. Investment management solutions help organizations oversee investor relationships, fundraising efforts, CRM activities, accounting processes, portfolio performance, and debt management. Then we have is manufactured housing. These tools are built specifically for manufactured housing communities. Users can manage leasing, maintenance, operations, marketing campaigns, and financial activities from a centralized platform. Then we have is military housing. Military housing are tailored to housing providers serving military communities. The software supports multiple housing types, foreign currencies, allotments, and specialized operational requirements. After that, we have is mixed portfolios. For organizations managing several property types, mixed portfolio solutions provide centralized oversight across multiple asset classes from a single platform. Then we have is multifamily solutions. So multifamily solutions support apartment communities and rental portfolios. Features cover leasing, resident engagement, operations, maintenance, accounting, and overall property performance. Occupier solutions help organizations manage leased and owned spaces. The platform simplifies lease administration, maintenance, procurement, construction projects, and workspace management. The Public Housing Authority's software combines property management, compliance, resident services, financial management, communication tools into one integrated system. Self-storage operators can use these solutions to manage customers, units, billing, reservations, marketing, and daily facility operations. Senior living software helps communities manage housing operations, resident care, occupancy, financials, and staff coordination through one connected platform. Single-family homes. This category focuses on single-family rental portfolios, providing tools for management, accounting, maintenance, leasing, and operational oversight. Social housing providers can manage accounting, waitlist, applicants, marketing, maintenance, resident portals, and financial operations through a unified system. Student housing solutions help educational institutions and housing operators improve marketing, leasing, maintenance, accounting, and resident experiences. And that's the market section where Yardi organizes its offerings based on different real estate sectors. Next, let's explore the solution section right over here. So this area highlights specialized technologies and business tools available across the Yardi ecosystem. So first we have is AI platform. So it uses artificial intelligence to help automate tasks, improve decision-making, and increase operational efficiency. And then we have is asset performance, that is right over here. So these solutions provide visibility into asset performance metrics, helping organizations monitor property health and maximize returns. And co-working and flexible space, dedicated solutions for managing shared work environments, memberships, bookings, and operational workflows. Then we have is energy. Energy management tools help monitor utility usage, reduce costs, improve sustainability efforts, and optimize building performance. Then we have is investment management. This solution focuses on investment tracking, portfolio oversight, investor communications, fundraising, and financial reporting. Learning solutions provide training resources, educational content, and skill development tools for teams using Yardi software. Then we have is lease administration. So this tool helps organizations manage contracts, lease obligations, renewals, and critical dates more effectively. The market research solutions provide valuable data and insights that help organizations make informed business decisions. Marketing tools assist with advertising properties, generating leads, improving visibility, and attracting prospective residents or tenants. Procurement solutions streamline purchasing processes, vendor relationships, approvals, and spending management. Property management software, this category includes Yardi's core property management capabilities covering operations, accounting, maintenance, leasing, and reporting. Senior care solutions support resident wellness, healthcare coordination, staff management, and operational efficiency. Voucher management tool helps organizations administer housing vouchers and related compliance requirements. Yardi listing network. This solution helps property managers expand property exposure and connect listings to a larger audience. Next, let's move on to the product section. So this section, Yardi's primary software suites and platforms are discussed. First, we have is Voyager Suite. This is Yardi's flagship property management and accounting platform. Breeze is a simplified cloud-based property management solution designed for organizations seeking an easy-to-use platform. Virtuoso provides advanced business intelligence and analytics capabilities. Investment Suite combines tools for investor management, accounting, fundraising, portfolio management, and financial reporting. Rent Cafe Suite provides resident-facing services including online applications, leasing, payments, etc. Reach by Rent Cafe helps property managers improve digital marketing performance and attract more prospective renters. Commercial Cafe Suite offers solutions designed specifically for commercial property management, and the Elevate Suite provides tools focused on resident experiences, communication, engagement, and property operations. Procure to Pay Suite helps automate purchasing workflows, and the Energy Suite focuses on utility management. Aspire is Yardi's learning management platform that delivers training programs, certifications, and there are many other products that you can see. And customer success section focuses on helping clients maximize their investment in Yardi software. Here, organizations can learn about implementation guidance, customer experiences, best practices, success stories, and strategies for getting the most value from their solutions. This area highlights how businesses have used Yardi technology to improve efficiently, streamline operations, and achieve measurable results. And the company section provides information about Yardi as an organization. Visitors can learn about company history, leadership team, corporate values, mission and vision, global presence, industry expertise. This section helps users better understand the organization behind the software. And the final main navigation category is resources. So resources contain Resource Center, which is basically a central hub for all of this, Yardi blog, Client Central, support, events, interfaces, independent consultant network, and publications. And that brings us to the end of our complete Yardi website walkthrough. We've explored the market section, reviewed the available solutions, looked at Yardi's major products, and as you can see, Yardi offers a comprehensive ecosystem of software and services designed to support virtually every segment of the real estate industry you are in. Whether you're managing residential properties, commercial assets, student housing, everything is available over there. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.